Good morning everyone. This is Ramita, TGT Bioscience, working in Jagiri School. So I have prepared a TLM for a gaseous exchange between alveoli and capillaries. So for that I prepared the TLM like this. If you see here the respiratory system of a human, we can see the parts like the after nose and nasal cavity, we can see the epiglottis and then larynx. Then we can see the trachea. This is a long pipe-like structure. It is also called as a windpipe. And this trachea is divided into two parts. That is bronchus, and one part is enters into the one lung, that is into the right lung, and one part enters into the left lung. So when we take the section of one lung, then we can see here bronchus is divided into many bronchioles. So at the end of these bronchioles, we can see the alveoli bunches at the end of the bronchioles. This is the bronchioles, and at the end of these bronchioles, we can see the alveolus, which is surrounded by a lot of blood capillaries. So when we take the section of an alveolus, then we can see the picture of the alveolus like this. Here, so here we can see the structure of this alveolus. If you see the structure of this alveolus, it is covered by a single layer of cells. And even the blood capillaries, they are also covered by a single layer of cells. So we can see this. So in this space inside this alveolus, it is called as alveolar cavity. And from the bronchioles, from the bronchus, the air, whatever the air which enter into the bronchioles, and then it enters into this alveolus. And here, when the oxygen enters into this alveolus, that will enter into the blood capillary through diffusion process, and the hemoglobin, which is present in the blood cells, that absorbs this oxygen and it turns into bright red color. So here the blood which is coming from the heart, which is having the carbon dioxide, that will passes out of the capillaries, and then it enter into the alveoli, and when we breathe out, we get rid of this carbon dioxide. And here the bright red oxygen rich blood, that is returned to the heart and pumped out to all the body parts. As a result of this gaseous exchange, the composition of inhaled and as well as the exhaled air is different. Thank you.